Hello everyone. This set of videos is part of the Java programming. You'll be learning the concept of class and object-oriented programming. So first off, we need to understand what is the difference between a class and an object. A class is like a blueprint, is used to create objects. So an object in this case is like an instance or entity from that class. So let's use an example. So if you want to build a house, you will need a blueprint of the house. If you want to make a dish, for example, you want to cook a specific food like a spaghetti or a pasta, you want to have the recipe. So this can be translated into the concept of what is a class and the actual objects in this case. So for example, spaghetti, you need the recipe. The recipe is a class. The spaghetti itself, the object, is an object. So a class can be written in Java in this format. You have a keyword class followed by the name of the class, and this you can see that it shares the same name as the house, and in this case we have a number of rooms and the number of windows. So when we create an instance or the object based on this blueprint, we have to indicate how many rooms and how many windows. So in this example, we have two houses being created based on this class, and the first one has 5 rooms and 3 windows. The second house has 4 rooms and 2 windows. So you can see from that you can actually create different characteristics based on that blueprint. So each of the class has a constructor. This will be used to initialize objects. So you can see we have a function here. This function is the constructor. So why it is called a constructor? Because it's being invoked at the first time when the object is being generated. So it shares the same name as the class name, and it doesn't have a return type. So how to use it. Okay, so for example, when you say you want to create an object, you need to use the keyword new followed by the name of the constructor. So each object has its own states and behavior. For example, you can have a lights on or off variable to store that. Okay, then this will be known as the properties. So a state is like a properties. The behavior will be like the methods, or in this case will be the function. Okay, toggle light. So we can actually use this to toggle on off. You can see in this diagram. Okay, the house can toggle on the lights and toggle back off, okay, using this method that's created. So in the next video, we'll continue to explore what is object-oriented programming. I'll see you in the next video.